Okay, April 1st, NVDA, first day of the month, first day of the quarter, first day of the week. So let's have a look. 0.5% down, trading at $900, pinned at 900 for the past 3 trading sessions. So last time we covered this name, we talked about one thing: premium burn, 915, maximum pain. Well, 906, 907, that's somewhere where it closed on Friday last month. So let's take a look at what's going on right here, right now with NVDA. So I don't know if the demand cooled off, if hype is cooled off, but it certainly feels that way. But still, there's a lot of money to be burnt. Well, let's straight jump into the option activity, right? That's what we're talking about. We mainly talk about options, and today's highest volume trades, both again, Nvidia and Tesla. So Nvidia, 900 million volume, 59% calls, 41% puts. Let's straight jump into the maximum pain for this week. Okay, so last week we talked about that there's so many premiums, there's so many notional value to be expired worthless. It did happen. Even this week, if you take a look at it, looks like, I don't know why, but April 5th has pretty big options. I mean, notional value on the call side as well, and on the put side as well. It's crazy. Billions of dollars on a random weekly for Nvidia. I'm sure these are the people who bought it going into the event, and they were still holding it. But premium has been crushing. Okay, just pull out any strike. That's what Nvidia is doing. So billions about to expire, and it doesn't have to close at this $910 maximum pain. Okay, some people are so precise. Well, look at it here. From anywhere 800 and let's say 45 to all the way maybe even $1,000, any of this range Nvidia closes, well, a lot of these premiums will expire worthless, basically. And that's fact that 70%, 68% of the time, I mean, premiums expire worthless. Maybe even higher than the number, but 90% in general. So levels. Well, right here, right now, Nvidia is sitting at its 20-day moving average. What that means is that's the price people paid average for the last 20 trading sessions, which is $900. Well, guess what happens if it goes below $900? Well, anybody who bought for the past 20 days will be underwater. That's what it is. That will be negative. 5-day moving average. Well, 5-day moving average on my chart, this gray line right here, you guys can see it is downtrending now. 5-day price action in a downtrend. Well, however you want to look at it, but this top, we discussed about this one from the moment it made this high and this recent high. This is exactly mirroring what Tesla did back in 2021, where it did spend quite some time. And again, I talked about this one. It did spend there at least a month or so before coming down lower, before doing this, before their earnings. And their earnings, I mean, Nvidia's earnings, next earnings is May 20 something, it's 20th or 26th. So, and it can do exactly the same. A lot of people will go into earnings anticipating that Nvidia is going to move big up or down, and it will be dud. It will be pretty much muted action, and people will lose money on premium again. Again, that's my thought, but we can come back, you can come back, definitely check. But so far, throughout this move, we have been pretty much spot on when it comes to reading what's happening right here, right now. I can be completely wrong if it shoots up, but there's no reason for it to do so. And I'm still a believer that the stock can retrace back to its 50-day moving average at some point in the near future. It can coincide with overall market pullback as well, but market is near its all-time highs. So we shall see. That's the video. That's the update. Check out my Patreon or Discord if you have any questions for completely free. And see you in the next one. Take care. Peace.